Welcome to Year 11 Higher Progress Test 1A. Question 8 is all about factorising. Now, question A tells us that we need to factorise fully 9a squared take away 6a. First, we need to find the highest common factor of 9 and 6, which is 3, and then we need to look at the highest common factor of a squared and a, which is a. So outside the brackets, we'll have 3a. Now, inside the brackets, we need to think about what do we need to multiply 3a by to make 9a squared, and that is 3a. And again, what do we need to multiply 3a to make negative 6a, which is negative 2. So when we factorise for the 9a squared take away 6a, we have 3a outside the brackets and 3a take away 2 inside the brackets. Now question B is all about factorising a quadratic, where the coefficient of x squared is greater than 1. With this question, we're going to be factorising it into two brackets. So when we have the quadratic in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c, we need to find the product, which is a times c, and the sum b. So in this case, we have the product is equal to 3 times 8, which is 24, and the sum, which is equal to 14. Now this means that we need to find two numbers that multiply to make 24 and add to make 14. Now in this case, I would start with the product, because there'll be an infinite amount of solutions to find two numbers that add to make 14. So I'm going to start by listing out the factors of 24. Now I'm going to do this in pairs to make my life a lot easier. So I've got 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Now looking down this list, I can see that I have two numbers that add to make 14. That's 2 and 12. Now I'm going to use these two numbers to partition my 14x. So it's 3x squared plus 2x plus 12x plus 8. Now we've not changed the quadratic in any way, but we have separated the 14x into 2x and 12x. For the next stage, I'm going to use a multiplication grid. Instead of expanding a pair of brackets, I'm going to be factorising my quadratic into a pair of brackets. So I'm going to put my 3x squared, where we would normally put the answer, and the 2x, and the 12x, and the 8. Now what's going to happen next is I'm going to look across to see what's the biggest factor I can take out of 3x squared and 2x, and that is x. So to make 3x squared, I need to multiply x by 3x. To be able to make 12x, I need to multiply my 3x by 4. And to be able to make 8, I need to multiply my 4 by 2. So this tells me what 3x squared plus 14x plus 8 to factorise to. And that's 3x plus 2x plus 4. Thank you for listening.